Bianca, and this is
James.
And we're just introducing the I'm Perfect pots so that we can help get them into your homes and provide some fun activities you can share with friends and family. Safely, of course. All right, here's the fun part. So I'm gonna have Jace open it and we're gonna get to it. You just need a flat surface. The packaging is your coverall, so it protects the surface. Jace, go ahead and open it up. Save the string because you're gonna need this to secure the glue. It's an 8-inch pot. Right here we have the base because it's cut on all 4 edges. So that means these are the tops. The very top of the pot is gonna have the uncut edge. So you'll want all of those facing up. You can decide, some of the patterns or some of the designs have 2 accent pieces. So we'll probably do a front back accent. Yeah? All right, that's what we're gonna do. And we're just gonna put glue on all of the base edges. So you're gonna grab a big chunk and you're just gonna slide it across the edge. You want it to be thick, and it's okay if it's a little lumpy. You can clean up the edges at the very end. Now all of this tile has fresh cut, so just be careful right here on the edges. It shouldn't be extremely sharp, but just be careful. All right, looks good. So now we have the base with all the glue needed, and then you're just gonna go around to the other sides and you're gonna put glue on all the cut edges, and then you'll start to piece them together. Here we have the tile. This edge right here is not cut, and you can tell because it's straight up and down. This edge right here has the miter cut, and so it's cut on a slant. It's actually a 45-degree angle. So all the uncut edges are gonna be what's up on your pot. This is gonna be the top part. All right, so we've used a pretty good amount of the glue. You wanna make sure that it's thick on the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect. We put glue on all cut edges, and now we can try stacking it up. So Jace is gonna be my helper. It's pretty sturdy glue, but you'll still have to do some holding. Okay, so now you're just gonna move the tile around to mold it to how you want it to dry. You're gonna have imperfect edges, and that's okay. You're just gonna take the glue and you're gonna fill in the gaps. This is just gonna hold it in place while it dries. And I'm just tying a bow. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be super tight. And then while it's together, I'm gonna continue to mold it with my fingers. All right, so now we have it somewhat consistent on all edges, and then I'm gonna come back around and I'm gonna fill in spots where it needs more. And then I'm gonna take a layer into the inside of the pot, and I'm just gonna come up the edges. All right, and then once it starts drying a little bit more, then you can start cleaning up the edges. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 days for it to dry completely, at which point then you can pot something. Okay, so we're gonna just clean it up a little bit. I have an old washcloth rag and some water. And while it's still a little bit wet, we're just gonna lightly clean the surface area of the tiles It makes it a lot easier than cleaning it up when it's dry. Again, really lightly. And here you have your finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching and thanks for supporting.